I'm Courtney Barber. This is my 1978 Bronco. We're on the Hot Rod Power Tour. Well, I started out with the 65 Mustang. I've had it, put over 500,000 miles on it. We did a trip to Alaska. It was 13,000 miles in 30 days. And I almost broke the Mustang in half on the Denali Highway. It was a 100-mile gravel road, took us 12 and a half hours. Our top speed was around like 3.5 miles an hour. You couldn't ask for just a better, amazing experience in Alaska. But then they finished this road to Tuktoyaktuk, which is up in the Arctic Circle. And ever since then, it's been calling my name and saying, come drive on me. And I knew the Mustang was not gonna make it up there because of what happened in Alaska. So I needed something bigger and beefier. 1978 Bronco was it. I actually found the Bronco online. I thought I was actually getting like a solid vehicle, and then I get it home, realize it has a 203 transfer case, which means it's all-time four-wheel drive, which for me, as someone who drives long distance, is the exact opposite of what I needed. So that's why I called Summit. I got the engine from Summit. It's a blueprint motor, the 408 stroker. Absolutely amazing. I couldn't ask for a better motor. It's got the torque I need, it's got the power I need, but not too much that it's just chewing up gas. And it fit perfectly. I stuck with a carburetor. I know everyone says, oh, fuel mileage, EFI, and with a carburetor, you need fuel, air, and spark. So I kept it simple. That was my main thing with the Bronco, was to keep it simple. Even the transmission, it's an overdrive transmission. They actually wanted to make it electronic, and I stuck to my guns. I'm like, nope, I want everything just simple. Give me a TV cable, I'll adjust it, we'll make it work that way. And the overdrive was key for the gas mileage as well. Pro Car by Scat is the best seat humanly possible. Your butt doesn't fall asleep, they're actually comfortable. You can go for hours without having to shift around, and yeah. And they recline, that's huge. I did try 31-inch tires, and they look so stupid. I will say they did drive better, it handled better. They're more of a stock tire for the Bronco, but they just look stupid. So I had to call Summit, and I got my 33s back. You need 33s. I mean, hell, guys want to put 35s and 39s, but every time I get in and out of this thing, I think I'm gonna split my jeans. So this time around, I knew what I wanted, and I kept it that way. And man, I keep waiting for there to be a hiccup, and knock on wood, there hasn't been yet. I want to give a very big thank you to Summit for helping us out with this Bronco. Without them, it would not be where it is. And yeah, we can't wait to take it to Tuktoyaktuk and come back and maybe get a new project.